bro.
Listen to them pops. Guys, I'm not even sure I'm gonna make this video yet, but I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna throw some old clips that I had of me driving my car in real life. Some are probably my best clips. I didn't really cut up or anything because my car has been having trouble since I got it, so I haven't really cut up or nothing. I need better tires, so most of the clips you guys are gonna see with my regular car is just like some little pulls and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm in Assetto Corsa right now, and I couldn't find a 335i, so I found a 340i, but it's pretty much the same thing, you know, pretty much the same as my car. So this is my setup. You know, I got the Assetto Corsa on the monitor there, and I got the, I think this is a G29, that's what it's called, yeah. So I have this. I'm just gonna show you guys a POV of like me driving this thing, and you know, I'm gonna show you the gameplay as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna be driving the F30 340i. It's not a 335 because I couldn't find a 335i, but you know, it's pretty much the same car. Like there's barely any difference. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll just be talking in the game with my friend, you know, just be cruising on the highway, cutting up on stuff like that. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Yo, ready ones?
Yo.
Yes, sir. Alright, look, that's the 340i. They even got a carbon fiber trunk on it. I'm not sure if I should drive in this POV or I should drive it like this one. I'll do this one for now. For advance. Got my boy behind me in the X7. Let me actually go in this angle so you guys can hear the car better. Nah.
What this?
Jeez. Nah, compared to real life, the shift sounds the same. Like the shifts sound pretty accurate, and the pops are like the same. Only thing I don't have my exhaust in real life, but it sounds pretty similar. And the handling is, I would say the handling is the same. Other from my car is rear wheel, and this one is always drive. But the handling is the same, like roughly the same. Damn, the shifts are good. I cut up so much better in this angle though. Damn, bro's right on me. That's crazy. Listen to the pop sound right here.
Who wants to beat me down? You can't, bro. You ready?
Oh, we're coming.
Yeah, I love you doing in luck.
Hey, my boy crashed. I'm gonna go back to. Listen to them pops. Nah, but for real though, it's pretty, like, I just got this game and it feels just like real life. Like, other from my car's rear wheel drive, so mine can actually drift, but that's the only difference. Like, the car feels so good, and I tested like other cars as well. Like I tested like GLEs and stuff like that, and they all feel different. They feel like what they actually feel like in real life. But yeah, this one actually feels like mine, just a bit faster, of course, because this one I think is stage 3 in the game. Mine is just stock right now, but it feels the same. You know, it sounds the same. The shifts are good, and you know, if you guys want a link to this, I'll leave a link in the description to it. That's the box it came in. But I'll leave a link in the description for it. But I'm just gonna cut up one more time and then I'll just maybe end it off because I don't want to make the video too long. This you? Oh
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel my monitor is so close to me. I'm trying to make it pop. Oh shit, I took the top road. I don't think you went that way. Yeah, I almost fucked it up there.
Yeah, bro.
On the top one?
Oh god, any French road.
Damn, them pops sound crazy. Now I'm actually gonna give you guys one more good cutting off clip and then I'll just send it off there. Alright, we got some traffic here. This is good. Alright, this way, this way. Yeah, the M4 is so much faster than this actually though. White line. Oh, I fit. This shit's so realistic, I swear. Alright, you can go. Like that, down. One more cut up now, once.
What we're doing is some traffic there, I hate, bro.
One last, good one like our last night, you see me?
Yeah, man.
That's crazy. I kind of squeezed it through a little space there though. You coming?
Can't make it on side, man. It's like, I can't crash it.
Ah, damn. Nah, I'll just send it off there.